Thanks for your help, Billdozer.
You're welcome, my friend. You'll have to excuse me.
You went really fast, huh? Wait, what are you doing?
This is Johnny. How can I help you?
Johnny, it's Bob. Billdozer has made a mess here.
Huh?
Need your help.
Billdozer? That can't be right. I saw him with my own eyes. Don't worry, Bob. We'll get to the bottom of this.
Hi, Johnny.
Tigears, Bob says Billdozer is causing chaos. Can you investigate what's going on?
Sure thing. Wow, what a mess!
Oh no, he's back!
Phew, I needed that. Huh? Hey, what's going on? Billdozer, you're under arrest for wrecking the construction site, but I just came back from the bathroom. Huh? You're making a mistake. I'm sorry, Bill. I got another emergency to attend to. Huh? Eh? Huh? Hey, you! What are you doing? I have an evil twin. That's why everyone's blaming me. This is horrible. I have to stop him. Stop it, Bill! How did you get away from jail? Well, I broke it. Wait, 2 Billdozers? That's right. That phony wrecked everything and put the blame on me. Come on, Tigears. He's getting away. I know what to do.
Hi, Tigears. Did you stop Billdozer?
I'll explain later, Johnny. I need your help now.
All right. Activating power up.
Yes! That's more like it. Here's the plan. You start throwing things at your evil twin to slow him down, and I'll take care of the rest. Missed me? Be careful not to crash. Tigears, now! Bullseye!
We finally locked up the right guy.
I'm sorry, Bill. I should have trusted you.
Don't worry about that. But don't take your eye off this guy. If I broke out of here, so can he.
Come on, where is he?
I'm here, Nora.
Just in time, Rhino. With these batteries, I'll be able to finish my new invention. We'll see about that. Evil Vicky, what are you doing here? Isn't that funny? I need that same battery to finish my Ultra Destruction Ray. And you're going to help me get it.
Oh!
Rhino, no! That's right! Get her! This is Johnny. What can I help you with? Johnny, I need your help. Vicky has hypnotized Rhino Trucks to steal my battery and build some evil gadget.
Don't worry, Nora. My team is on the case.
Hi, Johnny.
Hi, Johnny.
Tigears, Batfly. Vicky's causing chaos at the mechanic shop. You need to stop her.
Of course, Johnny.
We'll take care of it.
Stop right there, Vicky.
Oh, I can't play today, guys. But I know some people who would love to. Oh! Get them, my minions! Get them! See you never, animal losers!
Batfly, go after Vicky, and I'll take care of these guys.
Okay, Tigears.
Eat my dust. Let's do this. Yo ho, I'm on fire! Oh boy. That was close. I hope that Batfly is doing all right.
Come on, where could she be? Huh? There she is. If she gets to the cave before I reach her, we'll be lost.
Hi, Batfly. How's the mission going?
I have a problem, Johnny.
Tell me.
I spotted Vicky, but I won't catch her unless I'm faster. I need your help.
Sure thing. Activating power up.
Woohoo! Let's get to work. You really outdid yourself this time, you brilliant genius. Huh? What's that? Yes! No, 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 no! Yeah! Oh, did you drop something? No! My battery! My ray gun! Don't worry, I'll get it for you. See you next time, Vicky! You'll pay for this, anima brats! You'll see! Thanks, guys! Now I'll be able to finish my invention! I'm really glad, Nora, but what about them? I'll handle this.
Ah! How are you feeling, Rhino Trucks?
I'm okay, but I just had the weirdest dream ever.
Yep.
Woohoo! Yes! There's nothing like good training.
Already tired, Tigears? Come on, let's do one more round. Don't push it, Draco. We need rest too. I know what I'm doing.
Hi, Drago. Everything all right?
Johnny, we were training and we had an accident. Please send help.
Don't worry, buddy. I know just the guy for this.
Hi, Johnny.
Bulldozer, the rescue squad needs you.
Of course they do. No worries. I got this, Johnny. I take the day off and they go crazy. Guys?
Bill, help, please! Draco caused the landslide, and now we're trapped!
Accidentally caused a landslide. Almost there, Bill.
Everyone okay?
What's that sound?
Come on! Oh no! My trunk is broken!
Ah, we're stuck.
Don't worry, guys. I'll get you out of this. Yay! You go, Draco! Aha!
No way. Not again.
Oh, how are we going to get out now?
I know what to do.
Hi, Tigears. Are you all right?
Johnny, we all got stuck in slime. I need your help to get out.
I got you. Activating power up.
better. Let's get to this.
Whoa! You go, pal.
I'll get Bill out first so that he can help Tracko.
Oh! Yes! Great job, Tigears.
Time to get these two out.
Huh? Eh.
Just a bit more. Good one, Bill.
Finally, everyone's okay.
Well, that was one interesting training session.
That wasn't me.
Hello, hello, hello. Goodbye.
Oh, wow. The wind is so strong today. It may not be the best day for flying. But I have to bring these packages to Animatown. Everyone is counting on me. If I go fast, I'll get there quicker. Whoa! I'm going to crash. I need help.
This is Johnny. What can I help you with?
Johnny, it's Meagle. My engine broke down, and I'm going to crash against the cliff. I need your help.
Oh no! Hang in there, Meagle. Help is on the way.
Hi, Johnny.
Badfly Billdozer! There's an emergency in the desert and Meagle is in trouble. There's no time to lose.
Copy that. Let's go, Billy.
Don't worry, Johnny. We'll fix this.
Oh no, he's gonna get really hurt. Okay, Billdozer. I'll try to change Meagle's direction while you search for a good place to take the fall. What do you say?
Sounds good to me. Let's get to it.
Oh, Badfly, I'm so glad you're here.
Don't worry, Meagle. You're going to have the smoothest landing of your life.
Huh?
Relax, pal. We just have to shift before we crash. All right, now let's see what that big guy has laid out for us. That pull will do. Good thinking, Billdozer. All right, buddy, here we go. Get ready for impact, Meagle.
What?
Meagle, Badfly, are you okay?
You outdid yourself this time, Billy. That was refreshing.
Thank you so much, rescue team. You saved me.
Oh, it was nothing, Meagle.
Do you still need to get that turbine checked out?
Yeah. And not only that, I still need to deliver those. But I don't think I'll be able to do it.
Don't worry, my friend. We'll take care of that. Badfly, what do you think if I told Meagle to Norris Garage while you deliver those boxes?
Teamwork. I like it.
Then let's get to it. I'm ready to go. How are you doing, Badfly?
I'm kinda heavy, but I'll manage.
Are you sure you can do it? I'm a little bigger than you are, and this wind is really dangerous.
This is like lifting feathers. I'll be back in a jiffy. You'll see.
All right, let's go, fellas.
Bye.
I'm getting back to headquarters, Johnny. I just left Meagle at the mechanic shop. They said he'll be back in the air before he knows it.
Well done, Billdozer.
Do you have any news about Batfly? We separated a while ago.
You're right. I'm gonna check how she's doing. Hey, Batfly, how's the mission going?
Well, Johnny, to be honest, I've been better.
Maybe you should come back, Batfly. Flying with that wind is really dangerous.
No way, Johnny. We can't let everyone down. Whoa! Phew, that was scary.
If those packages can't wait, you're gonna need a little boost.
New turbos? Now we're talking! Yay! Now that's what I call a boost! Woohoo! With these babies, I'll deliver these boxes in the blink of an eye!
Whoa!
I'm done here, Johnny.
Well done, Batfly. You delivered all the packages in time.
Well, there's still a little surprise left.
Katie's ice cream is the best.
She was so grateful when I delivered her boxes that she saved an extra one for us.
Being part of the rescue team really pays off sometimes.
Surrender and return the ice cream to Katie.
Never.
Oh! Oh, my tooth! Oh no!
Goodbye, Anima fools.
Crocodile! Oh no, are you alright?
Johnny! I was fighting with Vicky, but I lost! And now I'm trapped!
Don't worry, buddy. Can you wait until help arrives?
Well, I'll try.
Hi, Johnny. What happened?
Crocodile's stuck in the city. I need you to go and free him with your drill.
All right. Look who we have here.
Yeah, I know. Can you help me, Bill?
I got you, Traco. I think you're free now.
Yay! Thank you, pal. Ouch! I think I hurt my tooth while fighting Vicky. It hurts.
Let me see.
Oh.
You should see Joe at the hospital. She'll know what to do.
Hi, guys. Is everything okay?
Joe, we need your help. Crocodile has hurt his tooth.
This doesn't look very good.
Your mouth stinks. What did you eat, pal?
Oh, shut up.
Okay, I know what to do. Don't worry, it won't hurt.
Yay! I'm well again. Thanks, Joe.
Now we have to get Vicky.
And make her return the stolen ice cream.
Don't you ever get tired?
You won't get away with this, Vicky.
I'm trapped. Traco, I need your help.
Oh no. Well, get ready. Come on.
Great job. Thanks, pal.
I think we're gonna need some help to catch Vicky.
Hi, Crocodile. All good?
Johnny! We're having trouble catching Vicky.
No worries. Activating power up.
Now we're talking! Let's go stop Vicky!
There she is.
We have to get her.
Come on, Crocodile. We can do it.
Don't look so proud. No. Now what, animal loser?
Now it's my turn! Bullseye! You're gonna go straight to jail, Vicky.
Let me out, you foolish lizard!
That's what you get for stealing.
And for hurting my tooth!
Yeah, that too.
I think the new building will look great here.
No! Oh no! No!
Oh no! Billdozer! Are you okay?
Oh no, he's gone crazy!
We have to call for help!
Hi, Bob. Everything okay? Johnny, Billdozer hurt himself and now he's acting all crazy. Don't worry, Bob. I got you.
Hi, Johnny!
Guys, Billdozer is wreaking havoc. You need to check on him.
Bulldozer? Our Bulldozer?
Yeah, he's injured and he can be dangerous.
No worries. We know what to do.
Billdozer did all this?
See it for yourself, Tracko.
Help! Someone help me!
Oh no! He's got Batfly! We have to rescue her!
Tracko, you take care of Billdozer while I go get Batfly.
Come on, you can do it, Tigears!
Now let's help Tracko.
Hello!
Be careful, guys! He's already hurt!
This isn't working! He's fast and strong!
We need to try something else.
Guys, I think we lost him!
He must have gone that way! Let's go get him! Bulldozer, please don't do this. I promise I'll give you free ice cream.
That's enough, Bill.
If we want to stop him, I need to be faster!
Hi, Tracko. Are you all right?
Johnny, I need your help to get Billdozer!
I got you. Activating power up.
Now we're talking! Batfly! Tigears! Distract him while I trap him!
Come on, Tracko, now's your chance!
There you go, pal.
Now let's get this big boy to the hospital!
You should be feeling okay now, buddy.
No! He's still crazy!
I'm just kidding, Tracko. I'm fine.
Oh, you won't laugh so much when you see the mess you caused.